Welcome to the Aziot Elevate Projector installation guide. Let's get started by unboxing the contents. Inside the box, you will find the Elevate Projector, a power cord to connect to the power source, a remote control. Please note that batteries are not included, a thank you card, and a device manual. On the back of the projector, you will find the power port, power button, HDMI port, headphone jack, and USB port. To set up the projector, begin by connecting the power cord to a power source and switching on the power. You will notice a red LED light, indicating that the device is in standby mode. The projector can be turned on in two ways. Either by pressing the power button on the projector itself or by using the remote control. Please ensure that the remote is directed towards the projector from the backside for effective control. Once the projector is powered on, the red LED light will turn blue. Now, adjust the projector to project the screen according to your preference. For the best experience, turn off the lights and let the show begin. Once the projector is turned on, the home screen will display several options, including Netflix, YouTube, Google Play, applications, settings, files, and HDMI. You can navigate through these options using the round D-pad on the remote. The OK button is used for selection. The back button allows you to return to the previous screen. Below the power button, you will find the setup button, which provides direct access to settings. We will cover settings later in the video. The HDMI button is located above and is used to connect external devices via an HDMI cable. The remote also features a home button for quick access to the main screen and volume controls to increase or decrease the sound. Another important function is the mouse button, which, when pressed, activates an on-screen pointer, making navigation easier. This mouse function is especially useful for browsing OTT applications such as Netflix and YouTube. The Aziot Elevate Projector comes with built-in streaming apps, allowing you to enjoy entertainment directly without additional devices. At the front of the projector, you will find the focus wheel, which helps in adjusting the screen clarity. Now, let's explore the settings. Under Projection Settings, you can customize the screen adjustments. The vertical keystone setting, when enabled, will automatically correct any screen distortion caused by uneven projector placement. If disabled, you can manually adjust the screen using UDLR trapezoidal correction. Use the arrow keys to correct the screen alignment manually. Similarly, custom trapezoidal correction also allows you to adjust the screen according to your preference. Use size adjustment to increase or decrease the screen size as per your requirement. Next, let's look at the different projection modes available. The default setting is fixed and front projection, where the projector is placed on a table or stand, facing the screen directly. The fixed and back projection mode flips the image horizontally, making it suitable for setups where the projector is placed behind a translucent screen. The hanging and front projection mode is designed for ceiling-mounted setups, flipping the image vertically for proper alignment. Lastly, the hanging and back projection mode is ideal for high-end setups where the projector is mounted behind a screen and flips the image both vertically and horizontally for the correct orientation. Moving on to network settings. Here you can check available internet connections and connect the projector to Wi-Fi. The Bluetooth option allows you to pair the projector with Bluetooth speakers for enhanced sound quality. Under Common Settings, you can adjust input settings, select language preferences, set the device name, manage permissions, and configure time and date settings. The system and equipment settings provide information about the device, available storage, factory reset options, and system updates. Now, let's test the screen and sound clarity. In the Applications section, you can browse all the pre-installed apps, and if you need additional apps, you can download them from the Google Play Store. Scrolling down to the Cast option, you will find screen mirroring and online video casting features. Selecting screen mirroring will display further instructions on how to connect your device wirelessly to the projector. Similarly, you can follow the provided instructions for online video casting. The Files section helps you access external storage connected to the projector. For example, if you connect a pen drive via the USB port, you can navigate to the Files option to browse and access its contents. The HDMI option allows you to access and use devices connected via HDMI, such as laptops, gaming consoles, or streaming devices. That concludes our installation guide for the Aziot Elevate Projector series. We hope this guide helps you set up and enjoy your projector with ease. If you have any further queries, please reach out to our support team. Thank you for choosing Aziot.